Cold plunges might be killing your gains. Seriously. Welcome to FitTheory, where health and fitness are explained faster and simpler than anywhere else. Everyone's jumping in ice tubs right now. And yeah, they spike dopamine, fight inflammation, and even burn fat. Cool, right? But here's what no one tells you. If you plunge right after lifting, you could be blunting muscle growth. A 2025 study found that cold exposure immediately after resistance training reduced strength and hypertrophy gains by up to 12%. Why? Inflammation isn't always bad. Your body needs it to build muscle. So when should you do it? Mornings, off days, or after cardio, not after the gym. And you don't need to suffer through 10 minutes. Just 90 seconds at 50 degrees Fahrenheit is enough to boost mood, improve metabolism, and activate brown fat. Cold plunges work. Just use them the right way. Like, comment, and follow FitTheory for more bite-sized, science-backed health hacks.